Nicholas.
Okay, yeah, he's joining.
All right.
Hey, Nicholas.
Hi, Steve. Hi, Basil.
Hi, Nicholas.
Was?
Hey, Nicholas, I was just telling Basil that we'll have a short meeting today. I've got to drop my daughter off to the school bus this morning.
Okay.
But I wanted to, let's see, I wanted to understand if I can share my screen here. Okay, it looks like I thought there was 2 PRs.
Yeah,
There's just
there
one.
are 2.
Okay, just one. Okay.
There's
So this
no,
is
there was the other one that's from last time that I updated. It's still failing, but I'm not sure why it is failing.
okay. So I
I think
still
it
need
was
to do the
before already. Yeah.
there's that one, and then there's this one right here. Okay. That one, yeah, I need to do that. And this one is this PR follows RC.
Right. So this is about the evidence, right?
Yes.
Where we had these different properties defined in detection context, line number, offset symbol, that are now moved to evidence.
Got it. Okay.
There is one. There was one thing, open there keyword, where we wanted to have some more discussion before adding that to the PR.
What was it?
There was one more there called keywords.
Yes.
Right.
What was it called?
Keywords.
Yeah.
So that's
Okay.
not part of this PR. That's just with
Got
the
it.
others.
Okay. All right, yeah. Proposal for keyword. Okay. Okay.
And it also removes, we have these extra properties for confidence levels.
Yeah.
They are kind of redundant because that's already exists in evidence, so they are just removed.
Right. Now for confidence levels, you've got a bunch of stuff in here.
Yeah, we had so our initial idea is to have for each field or each property a confidence level.
Oh, right. Okay.
So this corresponded to properties we have in crypto properties or in a crypto asset. And I think what evidence provides is so you have, if I understood it correctly, you have a component, and then you can assign a confidence level to a component.
Mm-hmm.
So that's that also applies to crypto asset because it's a component.
Okay.
We won't have these very fine confidence levels where we have for each of the properties a confidence level, but I think that's okay.
Okay. We can always figure out a way to add those at a later time too, if in fact people want that level of granularity.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
I think before we merge this PR. I think the definition of confidence level is still in the file, or I didn't see it in the changes if you removed it, Basil. Just maybe we will check that.
Yeah, I did a just a search for that if it's occurred anywhere, but didn't see it. I didn't see it.
Okay.
Might be mistaken.
So just a description of confidence level?
Not the description, the different confidence levels that were in there reference to confidence definition, confidence level definition, and this is still part of the current pull request. So we have to remove that too, and then it's
Okay,
done.
all right. So you're gonna update this then, Basil?
Yeah. So
Okay.
Nicholas, do you know? So that's the field confidence level, right?
Yes,
In
it's at the end. Yes.
line 4464.
On my screen it is 4563.
Okay, maybe that's before the PR.
I can just show you.
But it's between CryptoRef and CipherSuite.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Okay.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay, then I got it.
Okay.
Thanks.
Welcome.
So I will just update the PR.
Okay, so you got the right one then, Basil?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay, so I will get both of those PRs merged in later today. And I've got the other thing that I need to submit my changes where I've externalized all the enums or the enums that we discussed that one day.
Yep.
Okay, so I will go ahead and merge both of those in later today then. That way we all kind of have the latest and greatest.
Yeah. And we got a pull request on our IBM CBOM repository just today, I think, of a contributor proposing to add curves, elliptic curves. That's
Okay.
on top of our initial version, which did not have the curve. So I will just point him to our draft here because we have all the curves now here and see if that fulfills the use case they have.
Okay.
Or if there are some missing curves or so needed from their side.
Okay. Well, that's good. I mean,
yeah,
it's actually a good use case. It's good that we're, fulfilling the demands of folks that are actually using it. That's great. Okay. Was there anything else? I do need to drop in just a couple minutes, but was there anything else that we wanted to go over today? I just wanted to go over those PRs. That's really what I wanted to get out of today.
Hey, Steve. Good morning, everyone. Steve and everyone. Just a quick question. Do we have a list of tools or platform currently utilizing CBOM or planning to utilize CBOM? I mean, is there such a list available?
I don't think there's a list. I mean, the specification isn't out yet, so there's a obvious chicken and egg problem. Um, we anticipate that static analysis vendors will want to support this, and we'll probably reach out to some of them, whether we're customers at various vendors or the open source tools of the world. I know there's some other tools kind of in the making, and one tool that already supports kind of the draft spec, but we don't have like a formal list together. We are revamping the CycloneDX Tool Center. It was the layout of the tool center was fine when we had like 50 tools, right? It was easy to kind of slice and dice and figure out, you know, what tools were available. But as the number of tools have expanded to well over 200, and those are just the ones that we know about, and all the different capabilities have been added to Cyclone along the way, the current filtering for the tool center just doesn't work anymore. So we're in the process of figuring out how we're going to revamp that and how we're going to then go back to all the tools and reclassify things. So that's kind of like the long-term roadmap that will allow people to discover precisely what kind of tools are available for the types of use cases that they want to achieve.
Thank you, Steve. Is there a timeline as to when the specs will be complete?
We are aiming for a December release. Fortunately, the work on, there's two major features going into 1.6, which is the cryptography bill of materials, which is the upstreaming of the work that IBM has done for CBOM. The other big work is the attestations, and that work is mostly done. In fact, the specification is 99% complete, and we've pivoted to actually writing the guides at this point. So that part is already done. CBOM was already done. We are just kind of upstreaming those changes and making some modifications along the way for additional use cases, etc. So I think we'll be able to hit our target of December. So we'll see. That's the goal.
Thank you, Steve, for the information. I was just going on a webinar in November with Secure World on post-quantum cryptography. So we'll try to give a shout out to CBOM. So just wanted to know that, okay, what are our high level plans at least, so that if there are questions we can answer. Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. Forward all the requests to you know, to the CycloneDX Cryptography Working Group, which is what we are. There's the Slack channel that folks can communicate in, and then of course all this work is, you know, wouldn't be possible without IBM and the researchers of these two individuals here, Basil and Nicholas. So great work, guys. So with that, I need to drop, but like I said, I'll go ahead and get those merged in, Basil. I'll wait for you to ping me to let me know when that other change that you need to make is made.
Yeah, just updated it.
Oh, you did? Just did?
Yeah, just now.
Okay. Let me go get your shoes on, all right? Okay. All right. I need to drop, guys. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll talk to you soon.
Okay.
Cheers.
Thank you. See you.
Yep. Bye-bye.